Guys, ni ajeni. Welcome back to TBGS. Style is in Kenya here. Na leo niko na recipe. I was trying to cook. Yeah, I'm cooking. Na sijui nani ajui kupil mandizi hapo hivi ni mchekele. So these are bananas. I'm peeling bananas. I'll show you how I know how to peel bananas. Yeah, I need to make a delicious meal for myself. Son got to eat, bro. Son got to eat another banana. Another banana. Yeah, manzi. Lazima nijipende. Nisipojipenda sijui nitapendwa na nani. So, just cooking something for myself. Yeah. So, kama hujui kupeel bananas, shauri zako. This is how we do it at TBGS. Yeah, so I'm going to make a meal using bananas, potatoes, and cabbages. Yeah. Guys, this is how you peel a banana, by the way. This is how you peel a banana. So don't get it twisted. Acha niwafunze. Manze kama mama wako hakukufunza mimi nitakufunza. I'm just kidding. Don't mind me when I speak trash. But the main thing is you get to learn. Yeah? Hizi zinaitwa methuna. Friend of mine is always telling me that she can't eat banana. Yeah, so guys, we are making a meal. This for breakfast. I like to cook more food in the morning so that I can also have it during the day. For lunch, cutting budgets. Mimi ni morasta bro. Mimi ni morasta bro. Unasema nini? Lazima kijana ajile. Ikiwa nipate bibi, kwa nifanyia hii kazi yote. So that's how it is. That's how it is. We are done. I'm done peeling the bananas. Cut them twice. So guys, I have tomatoes here. These are tomatoes. Yeah, and so we are going to cut them into pieces on these plates. I'm going to show you how you cut tomatoes. Manze. So you cut it twice like this. Yeah, so we are cutting them in cubics. Yeah, wale mlisoma home science, you cut tomatoes in cubes. Sijui nani alisema hiyo ni lazima. Sasa zikata hivyo just to make a delicious, to make them look nice. Unaniona? Great. Very great. Last one. Hii ni moja kubwa. Acha kuniuliza mbona situmii mbili. Hii ni moja kubwa manze. I always do me. I'm showing you guys how to cook bananas, yeah, for yourself. Man, this is Africa, bro. Hii ni Africa. Lazima ukule healthy. Uishi miaka mingi kama moi. Kitunguu. Where's the onion? Bro, this is the onion. Okay, bad onion. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna get it ready. Maisha ni yangu bro. Nisipojilea sijui mimi nitolewa na nani. always put yourself first. We're cutting onions, then tutaziweka kwa sufuria. Like that. It's almost done. So guys, I'm just preparing the ingredients just before I get started with cooking. Yeah. We have a sufuria. That's a sufuria. So I'm going to start with the onions first. I'll put the onions. That's the onion there. Then I will add cooking oil. That's ufuta. Ufuta is always good because it doesn't have cholesterol. Inaga cholesterol hata kidogo. So weka kiasi. That's it. Lazima upime. Wewe ukiishi kama bachelor, utumiangi mafuta venye unataka. Unasikia? So that's it. I'm going to light up the gas and then I'll place the onions. Place the whole thing. So that's it. We'll be cooking right there. Yeah, so let's wash our potatoes with the bananas. Then I will just chop the cabbages. So that's it. That's it. Manze, lazima ukue healthy first thing. Keep it healthy. Na usikula kule ovyo ovyo. Hii ni Christmas. Make sure you enjoy to the fullest. And this is my life at TBGS, and I'll be showing you guys how I get to make my meals in the house. Kazi sio kukula huko nje. You don't have all that cash to splurge. You don't have that cash to splurge. So the bananas are clean. Right there. You have the cabbage. You have the cabbages. Yeah, right here. These are cabbage. So I'm going to chop it. Unajua kukata cabbage wewe? Ama unataka nikufunze? Let me show you how I get good at shit. I'm good at this. I'm good at what I do. Like that. Kidogo. So these are free tutorial na swaripishi fee by the way. Swaripishi fee. Nasikia? TBGS. So that's our cabbage right there. You got to make it nice. And always watch out so that you don't cut yourself. Hii si ile chakula njeri. Mseme chakula njeri. Msiite chakula njeri. Msiite chakula njeri. This is how I was taught to cook for myself. So I'm just cooking for myself. Talking to Ronnie, so yeah, so TBGS. Nafunzadi kupika. Sio story tu na nduku peke yake. Lazima uishi healthy, bro. So that's just life. And I'm almost done. Ooh. So guys, I'm going to put tomatoes. My onion is already done. There we are. So, we gotta start this one, yeah? We gotta make it right, make it right, make it right. Cabbage ni kama zingine za prison bro. What? But good thing nifike kwa tumbo. Hey man, it's your life bro. It's your life. Enjoy your life. Uko na pressure, lenga stress, kula fiti. Tuone kama tutanona. Manipata. Good. So the cabbage is done. It's done. So it's done. It's done already. I'm going to clean it. Clean it. I've mixed with potato with the bananas and then I'm gonna pour the water. That's it. It's clean. And now guys, I'm going to finish up cooking. And I'll see you next time. I'll be showing you something else different from this. Just stay tuned at TDGS Stylist of Kenya here. The best fashion stylist, the African fashion stylist. Police record.